This is a little video showing an overview of GMB Leads Factory. So when you get it, you'll click on License and install your license and activate. You'll go to click on the key here, Get Key, and get your Google Maps API key, and then go to Lead Finder, and you want to enter a keyword and a location. So I'm adding plumbing contractor, Little Rock, Arkansas, and click on Go. And you'll see how quickly it pulled up plumbing contractors in Little Rock, Arkansas. So then we go to click on Leads and click on Extract, and you'll watch as it starts extracting the leads in a list down here. And there's a scroll bar on the bottom where you can see more details about the businesses. Okay, so this has been running for maybe 10 minutes and it's located 43 leads, and it's got business names, addresses, Google Plus code, the website URL if it's available, telephone numbers, email where available, the business category, business hours, whether it's got a virtual tour, whether it's claimed, their review ratings and the numbers of reviews, photos, image URLs, map URL. So lots of really useful information. And then when it's done, or you can stop it and export, and my documents file comes up, and I'm going to create a new folder for these, and it saves these as a CSV, so makes it very useful to work with. And here is my leads list. And that wraps up this demo.